Jason. 1 mango tango, please.
Sabi siguro mga bata ate dito. Aga naman natin. May lakad kami. Saan tayo sasakay?
Waterloo.
Mag-tube pa tayo?
Maglakad na lang tayo. 17 minutes. Thank you. Maglakad na lang tayo.
Yung ulit? Baby. Bago siyang bubble tea siya. Tapos ang sarap doon ng mango something. Kasi nung napadaan din ako before, dami nakapila. Dapat yan yung pag may kaya sana.
Wala. It's time. Ayan, nabuksan, friend. Kumuha na tayo para makalis na tayo at makalakad.
Kuhanan mo pa na?
Ha?
Ano ba? Ano mo? Tsaka mo. Pour yan.
Cute. Hi.
Do you guys do the slope?
Yes.
Yes.
Under Kusumi?
Maria.
Thank you.
Do you guys want to enter the raffle?
The music show.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
We have the one-way mirrors, and then you can spot one way in the photos. And there's one there as well.
Yeah.
And then you can play Guess Who together in the 17th edition, and then you can write your favorite one we're going to.
Are you guys attending ang Lollapalooza?
I'm thinking of buying a ticket if there's any left.
Ah.
I'll have to figure out like traveling there.
Yeah.
What about you guys?
Yeah, we're going.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
We're just worried because this is gonna be our first music
festival
ever, so we don't have any idea.
Did you find one?
With his neon factor.
Alam mo, sa lahat ng natin, ang pinakagusto ko yung nakuha natin, yung kay Toy.
Ang dami ng...
Yung, di ba? Ang cute ng card. Sige.
Something for the home, like kandila. Di ba may si Madam?
Tara.
Ito. Ito marami pa siyang ano. Gusto ko rin Ano siya talaga? Yung sabi ko, dito ako nagkabaka.
Ay, wala naman ako. Wala naman ako kukunin.
Shades tayo. Oo, tagal-tagal di nakakabalik dito. Last ko dito yung ano eh, birthday ni Kali.
Is it?
Yeah! Ay, dito yun, di ba? Kaya nga sabi ko, mo? May sariling ano? May sariling kama.
Nga-set up friend.
Ito, tsaka...
Pero mahal din yung first slice nila, no?
Mahal din. Pero kung titignan mo kasi, ang isang slice is parang isang maliit na cake na rin. Mas makakamura ka.
I'm just gonna collect a cake.
Just wait.
There, over there.
Oh, border.
Si Jamie mag-a-adjust.
You go in front of the cake.
Parang sasabog siya.
Jamil in front of the cake. So just swap. That's it.
I think.
Oh, I think that.
You think?
Pwede naman si Jamil stand here. Tapos para.
Just stand
Oh,
here.
you don't feel so.
You need to stand, like literally. Here, you need to stand here. Stand on top of the chair, please.
That's the wife will be standing next. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sit next. And Ray, bring a chair next to Jamil. Sit next to him.
Sit,
Ano, it's his birthday.
sit, wait lang.
Hindi pala birthday.
There's a space there. Just sit there. Next to him.
Do I look alright?
Yeah, yes.
Ready? Steady?
You look like a katulong.
Happy birthday.
Wait.
Getting,
Okay, go.
Warm tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jamil. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Everyone's happy this
Edited with AI.
Ginagamit ni Jamil yung skincare ni ano.
Andre, the skin is glowing.
Parang mas effective sa kanila.
Kaya nga. Reset.
Mas makinis pa eh.
Yung ano, yung... Shuareo girl.
Back up dances.
You said I'm an early bird. It's
Have supporters.
before I say a word.
Lagay daw. Slow.
Baby, I can never tell. How did you sleep so well? You tell me I'll take my whiskey neat. My coffee black and my bed free. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I'll take my whiskey neat. My coffee black and my bed free. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. About me every night, oh, is that sweet? I guess so. Sick and sleep, baby, I know that's honey espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it on like Nintendo.
The backup dancers from ano, from Timo.
And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you put on quite a show. Really had me going. But now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now. But it's over now. No one to take about.
Nakakita na nilagi? Ano yun yun? Ha? Siyempre yung mataas kay Andre.
All coming back. Relay.
Ginawa namin yan ng mga
Yung gusto ko nga gawin yung kay Steph. All by myself, by myself. Oh.
There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body frozen in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so blue.
At least mababal yung sa akin.
And just you, my eyes were dry forever.
Nawala ko sa sa'yo, friends.
I finished crying in the instant I checked, and can't remember where or when or how. And I banished every memory you and I have ever made. Lower.
Yes, first scream.
When you touch me like this, and you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. You like this.
Ulit na lang siya ulit dito.
It's so hard to believe that it's all coming back to me.
Oh my God, ako mataas.
Every moment of gold, every flashes of light.
It was lost long ago, but it's all coming back. But it's all coming back to me. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends with a simple telephone call? You leave me here with nothing at all. Ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang isang pagkopiko, can't wait to go back with you. Sa isang pagkopiko, oh, pagkopiko, pagkopiko, oh. Sa isang pagkopiko, 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 oh. Sa isang pagkopiko. Ay, talaga yung pang-professional.
Yes.
May ibang humahabol sa'yo. Di man nakatuloy na matakbo. Sino man nagsabi na kailangan ko mauna, hindi naman itong karera. Pagdadaan sa bawat panibago, buhay ka kasi mula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera.
Sitting here all alone, and I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong till I take my life is through. Hindi ko pala tingin sa hindi ko. Pinagdar ba?
Filler ka.
Different But this is slow. It's only this part is fast. That's the business go. Tell me. 5, 6.